Whoa! I'm using fried chicken skin for bait. It rules all the other baits, I can tell you that for a fact. Look at the size of these big shell crackers I'm catching, also known as red-eared sunfish. Big, big fishies, indeed. Whoa! They really do love that chicken, puny one. Fried chicken. Finger licking good. Another nice shell cracker. Whoa!
Oh, there's a fat one.
Man, that fried chicken skin absolutely rules all the other baits. The only problem is it's a little bit greasy. The fish absolutely love it. Look at the size of these big shell crackers, just one after the other, nearly as fast as I can get it in the water. Big, beautiful, tasty, delicious shell crackers. Bon voyage, fishy. Whoa! Early springtime fishing in Florida. Where else would you want to be? Catch these big giant bluegills. Wow. I got a whole flock of them that live under my boat. I call it the Piranha Pit Fish Farm. Proof's in the pudding, right? Monster bluegill. One after the other. Just as fast as I can get it in the water, nearly. Boom, there's another one.
It's a big one.
All the fish just love that stuff.
Chimambo.
And if them fried chicken places knew how good the bait was, they'd stop selling food and be a bait store. I'm serious. I don't know what better bait you could want. I mean, you can snack on it and fish with it. You can't do that with worms or a lot of other baits for that matter. Kersplash.
Big shell cracker. Saturday morning, everybody. Come on.
My old dummy Don, he lost his pole here. We'll show it a little bit later on in the video. Bam, there's another one. You believe this? This is all Saturday morning. You can see the whole thing live if you just come to the channel and check out the live videos for Saturday morning there. Colorful fish, really.
They're eating the crap out of that fried chicken skin. Big shell cracker. Ho, 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 ho.
These fish are just walloping that stuff as fast as it hits the water nearly. I haven't caught so many bluegills so fast in a long time. And they're all huge too. Bam! There's another one. Man, they love that fried chicken skin. I'm going to start freezing some of that stuff in little pieces and storing it and seeing how well it works thawed out. That's some good bait, I'll tell you what. Lieutenant Dan, Bubba told me when you're fishing with shrimp, you should always hold on to your rod. You dummy, didn't you hear what Bubba said?